My name is Lea-Wilson. I work at Plainsman Manufacturing, where I'm the innovation director. Well, I was kind of looking for a unified theory of innovation, something that I could bring back to the office and implement something from start to finish. I had a fairly broad but not very deep knowledge of innovation, having studied it throughout my career, various product development programs on and off. It definitely gave me a broader view of innovation and gave me some more specific tools on how to drill down on the important parts of innovations. The biggest thing that we learned was communication style, having a common language of innovation so that we can approach problems from many different angles, but still have a common baseline language to talk about. Everybody that was on the team can now have those conversations with other people throughout the organization and sort of let them know in a soft way, I guess, a different point of view, a different way of thinking of things. So we had a fairly robust product development program prior to the program. So we had a process sort of from A to B, and it stepped you through, and it was very rigid and rigorous, I would say. As a result of the program is that process has gotten quite a bit more organic and a lot more intuitive. So it's not as onerous to work through. For example, you can have conversations about value propositions instead of filling out forms, because that language is now embedded within the team and they have a more fundamental understanding of innovation and value proposition. We tend to grossly underestimate the amount of time and resources it takes to implement something new. And we went into the program not really knowing that. And we as we came through the program, we discovered that and started to realize how much resources and how much time is required to properly launch something new. So after the program now, we do a lot more upfront vetting before we commit down a path. We do a lot more sort of front-end homework, upfront homework, knowing that the time and resources that we're going to have to commit to be successful is going to be valuable. The aha moment, I guess, for us was the concept of connecting the dots, that you need a really diverse background and you need to view issues and problems and situations from many different angles and collect lots of dots, so to speak. And only when you have enough of that baseline information that you can start connecting the dots and have that, oh, okay, here's an aha moment of now we can move forward with this concept. We've definitely come across a number of additional opportunities that were previously we would have just not looked at and be like, oh, that's not up our alley. We can't do that, or we shouldn't do that. But now we're able to look at it with multiple different lenses from multiple different angles, and instead ask the question, well, how might we be able to do that? Or is this something that could fit in long term? You can get real value, real results from the program. So it's worthwhile investing real value and real dollars into it. It's not just an academic exercise.